Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, I'm very excited about today's video. I've done lots of research, and I am super excited for today's video. So today's going to be just a chit-chat video. We're going to catch up, but we're going to be talking about how to make your home cozy and comfy for the fall and winter seasons without spending a fortune. So I am super excited to share some awesome tips with you guys on how to transform your space into a cozy retreat using only Dollar Tree and Dollar General items. So whether you're decorating on a budget or just love a good DIY project, you are in the right place. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into these budget-friendly ideas. And yes, I have notes. I made notes. Yes, I did. Anyways, y'all, I just wanted to bring this stuff to you guys today. I thought this would be something fun to talk about. I want to bring, when I do these chit-chat videos, I don't want it to just be about like, oh, what is she doing this week? Or what does she got going on? Or I don't want it to just be about that kind of stuff because that's liable to get boring. I don't know if you guys even care what I have going on. So I want to make it something that is important and that's something that we all enjoy and that we can talk about and maybe learn from each other kind of thing. So I'd love for you guys to leave comments in the comment section below. If you have any ideas yourself, please let us know. Anyways, without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so I was going to start with number one and I totally went into a full-blown hot flash. So I had to go pull my hair up. I'm sweating a little bit. You guys just overlook that, okay? Anyways, to begin this video, I wanted to start with talking about layering some textiles for different warmth and comfort in your home, but doing this on a budget, okay? You can find all kinds of throws and blankets and pillows and throw pillows and whatnot at the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General, especially the Dollar General. And getting these different, like layering these different textures in your home is definitely going to create warmth and comfort in your home, which just instantly creates a cozier space. You know what I mean? So definitely check out the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General for these things. And Dollar Tree is getting to where if they have a plus section, Dollar Tree has got throws and pillows. Some cute throw pillows. I've actually bought a couple pillows from the Dollar Tree Plus section to go on my bed, matter of fact. But definitely check out the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree for these things. And guys, when the seasons change and it's time to like change out your throw pillows and your blankets and whatever, I mean, that's the best way to do it affordably is to go to the Dollar General or the Dollar Tree. Okay, number two. Ambient lighting on a budget. Guys, the lighting in your home really does something to you. I promise it does. It has something to do with your mood, all of that, like the lighting in your home. So check out the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree. They've got a variety of options when it comes to LED candles and fairy lights and like small lamps and just stuff where you can put off just a little bit of light. You know what I'm saying? Just that ambient lighting where it's kind of dim and cozy, and it just really creates like a cozy space when you have that type of lighting. I love, in the afternoons, I start lighting candles, honey, and putting on my fairy lights and turning on my LED candles because I love it. I do not turn on the overhead lights hardly ever. I hardly ever use those lights, you guys. Like the light in the ceiling fan, I hardly ever use those at night because I like for it to be warm and inviting. You know what I mean? Like there's just a cozy feeling when your lights are dim, and I don't know, I love that though. So in my bedroom, in the living room, I have ambient lighting in multiple rooms because I just love it. It makes me feel good. It makes me feel nice and cozy and whatever. So definitely check out the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General for those options though, you guys, because you can absolutely get fairy lights and LED candles and small lamps and stuff like that for way cheaper at the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General. Okay, number three, scented decor for a cozy vibe. All right, so I want to talk about the importance in incorporating scents into your home to create an inviting like atmosphere or whatever. Definitely Dollar General and the Dollar Tree are going to be your best options. I'm telling you, hands down, best options at finding cozy, inviting, warm, scented whatever. You know what I'm saying? So like candles, wax warmers, oil diffusers, the oil for the diffusers. They have that stuff at the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree, you guys. You can definitely create a beautiful scent in your home by just lighting a couple candles, and that makes it cozy feeling. You know, it does. It just absolutely does. I hope you guys are on the same page as I am, because I love this type of stuff. I absolutely love creating like that space in my home that I just feel comfortable in. You know, you go to work all day, or you go to school all day, or whatever. You're out and about, you're doing your thing. You come home. When you come home, you want to come home and be comfortable in your own home. You want to be cozy and make it feel inviting. And these are ways to do that on a budget, because I'm telling you, definitely the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree. When it comes to scents, go to the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General to get your wax warmers, your candles, and your diffusers, because that is going to be the best price. I promise. Okay, number four. I had to look. Anyways, number 4, creating a cozy corner. So this could be like a reading nook or a little lounge area or something like that, something of that sort. Okay, so by using the throw rugs and like the little floor mats and stuff like that from the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree, you can create these little areas in your home that are just cozy, and they're dedicated strictly for that purpose. Like, that's the whole point, is for you to get comfortable and cozy and enjoy what you're doing, whether you're reading or you're just laying out, lounging, you know, hanging out. These are areas that you can create with these rugs, and you can buy those at the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree, and especially the Dollar General, you guys. Like, for real. I never buy rugs anywhere except the Dollar General store. I'm being dead serious. I'm being totally honest with you right now. I buy my rugs at the Dollar General 90% of the time. I have one rug in my house that I got off of Amazon, and that is because it was too big to buy at the Dollar General. Every other rug in my house has come from Dollar General. So buy these rugs, grab you a couple rugs, create a little reading nook, create a little lounge area, but make yourself a little cozy spot in your house. And you can do it without spending a lot. Okay, number 5, DIYing rustic decor for your home. Okay, so like DIYing rustic decor for your home using dollar store items, like using the products from there, like maybe the mason jars or twine or the wooden signs from the Dollar Tree, stuff like that. You can create some cute, very warm, inviting, cozy, like handcrafted feel to your home. You can bring that into your home by DIYing farmhouse decor or just rustic decor. It just makes it feel handcrafted and cozy. It's just inviting. That type of stuff is inviting for sure. And not only that, it usually creates like a conversation starter, these handcrafted pieces and stuff like that. I know in my home, a lot of times I get asked about the stuff that I've actually made. Like somebody will say, "Oh, where did you get that?" And I'm like, "Oh, I made it," you know, or whatever. So definitely try that out. Try DIYing it yourself. Get on Pinterest, look at these different cozy little spots that you like, and then DIY the decor that you want for your home, and make it look like what you saw on Pinterest. You can absolutely do that using dollar store items. And there you have it. Creating a cozy home on a budget does not have to cost a fortune when you've got the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General on your side. So I hope that you're getting like excited or inspired at least to make your home as cozy as possible without breaking the bank. You know what I mean? I hope that this has inspired you a little bit. That was the whole point of this. I wanted to help, and I wanted to just tell you guys that you can absolutely create these spaces in your home, or just make your home in general be nice and cozy and inviting using dollar store stuff. So if you have enjoyed these tips and tricks, then hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this and my Dollar Tree hidden gems. I do a couple DIYs here and there. Like, you never know what's going to happen on this channel. Anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And seriously, subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Thank you all so much for being with me today, and y'all have a blessed day.